welcome back to my channel. Today feels like the first day in weeks that we've actually had no rain and the sun's actually been out. So we're going to be taking some of our tractors out for a drive rather than doing one of our projects. And mainly we'll be taking out our Bolens tractors because 2019 is 100 years of Bolens. But first we need to dust it off a bit, because sitting in the workshop, well, this one hasn't been run since, I'm guessing, the tractor shows, and some of the others we can't even remember when they were last run. But they will need a good dust off from being in the workshop for so long. But the reason they haven't been run for ages is because it's so easy when you have a job to just say, oh, I'll just use the tractor by the door, because it's the easiest one to get to. Which is why most of our tractors that we feature in videos don't get used that much, and then we do these things where we use most of them. The first tractor we'll be driving around is our 1962 Bolens Ride-a-Matic. In our collection we have 5 Ride-a-Matics, but there's only 2 that are working. This one and our other Ride-a-Matic that's working is a 1961, which the main difference is it has a very different grille shape. We have done videos on that if you'd like to check it out. Anyway, let's get ready for the Ride-a-Matic to have a bit of a drive. The next tractor on the list for driving is the 1964 or 5 Bolens 900. This is our most recent tractor that we've got fully running, and we haven't driven it since the tractor shows in the summer. is the 1971 Bolens 1054 with the hydraulic lift kit. Again, for this tractor, the last time we used it was the tractor shows. One's another 1971 Bolens 1054, but this time the blue one. We don't even remember the last time we used this. It was probably about a year ago when we first fixed it. So this could be quite fun. This one's the 1972 Bolens 1054, and this should start quite easily because we were moving firewood with it last weekend and we checked it over then as well. Another tractor when we can't remember the last time we used it. It's the 1975 Bolens G14, and I guess I'll try starting it up. This one's our 1964 Estate Keeper EK7. As far as we know, or as we've come across, we've only come across 2 other ones in the UK. The reason we have a bin bag on the seat is because one of our male cats likes to spray this seat. No other tractor seat, just this one. So I'd rather not sit in Catway. I can't exactly remember the last time we ran this. It was probably when we changed the battery leads, if some of you have watched that video. But anyway, let's give it a try. For the lineup is the 1980 Bolens HT23 with the 54-inch cutting deck on it. This is used most weekends during the summer, not really this time of year because we don't cut the grass because of how wet it is. It would just kind of fold over. But anyway, let's start it up. Lineup to show 100 years of Bolens, except for the fact that it only goes from about 20 years of Bolens, but still. We have 3 other Bolens tractors that aren't in this lineup that are currently running, which are the 1961 Bolens Ride-a-Matic, the 74 HT23, and also the other and another tractor from 1974 is our G10 that we featured in our dental video that had the sickle bar mower on it. Anyway, let's have a quick walk down the line. So we have the 1962 Bolens Ride-a-Matic, and then the 64 900, two 1971 1054s, and then only a tiny bit younger, the 72 1054, then 75 G14, and then here we've got another 1964 in the form of the EK7, and then here we've got the youngest of our Bolens, the 1980 Bolens HT23 with the deck on. But that's it for this week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!